Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum brothers and sisters. Inshallah for today we are going to discuss example 4 from 6.5. It is about take work home. Okay, so we start with the question given. A sample consists of 20 lecturers from a certain university were asked whether or not they usually take work home. Their responses are given below, where yes indicates they usually take work home and no means they do not. Okay, so these are the sample given. Okay, your raw data for yes or no, which is this is what we call the categorical data. Okay, now we want to construct the 90% confidence interval for the percentage of lecturers from that certain university who take work home. Okay, remember this formula? Yes, I think you are quite familiar with this formula. This is the formula for us to find the confidence interval for population proportion. If you look at 1 minus alpha times 100% confidence interval for P, okay, just now we want to find 90% confidence interval. It means that your alpha here is 0.10, right? So this is your P hat, where the sample proportion, and this is the margin error E denoted by Z alpha divided by 2 times the standard deviation of the sample proportion. Standard deviation of the sample proportion is given by square root of P hat times Q hat over N. Okay, in the first step, we need to know what is our X. X is the number of lecturers from that university, from that certain university who take work home. Okay, so it is a discrete random variable, right? Okay, it means that we can find the proportion or the number of lecturers who say yes. If you calculate from the data given, you will have 8 of the lecturers will say yes. So we have our P hat here is 8 over 20, while your Q hat will be 12 over 20, and N is 20, number of lecturers. Okay, now if you want to find 90% CI, it means that your alpha is 0.1. So when 0.1 divide by 2, you'll have 0.0500. So we need to refer to the standard normal table to get this z-score. Okay, make sure you refer to the area of 0.0495. Okay, so 8 over 20 is the sample proportion for those who say yes. Okay, and for your Q hat is 12 over 20 and N is equals to 20. Okay, after you substitute in this formula, then you calculate, so you'll have this answer. Lastly, let us write the conclusion or interpret the result. We can state with 90% confidence that the true percentage of lecturers from that certain university who take work home is between 21.9% and 58.1%. Or we can write, we are 90% confident that the population percentage of lecturers from that certain university who take work home is between 21.9% and 58.1%. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.